I purchased this chest from Facebook Marketplace for $5 to create more storage for my husband. This chest was in pretty bad shape. Let's transform this chest from trash to treasure.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished piece here. You know, yesterday I installed this wooden piece here on this side and on this side as well because they were missing when I purchased this chest here. I ended up taking this outside today and spray painting. It's black. You all can't really, for the most part, see. That's just a little black, but that's not. I spray painted this black as well. That was by mistake, though. But anyway, this here, I'm going to use this gel stain to complete the top part of this chest here using this brush. And yeah, we'll see what happens.
I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
Okay, you guys, you see this is my first coat right here of the gel stain. This is in the color, I think it's walnut. And after I do one more coat, then I will apply the protective finish here to the gel stain, which I always put on after I finish gel staining. As well, I forgot to show you guys that I use this on the parts of where I spray painted as a protector. I could also use this too, but I'm not going to spray it inside the house. And then these are the knobs that I'm going to be putting. You see they're black. So this chest is going to be brown and black. But these are the knobs that I have chosen. These were $1.20 at my local hardware store. And so I'm going to use these in place of the old knobs that were a part of this chest. So this finish here, I will let this set after the second coat for 24 hours. This is a lengthy process. You saw the first part of the video was where I had to attach the side wooden rails that were missing when I purchased this chest. And then I went outside to spray paint, and now I'm doing the gel finish. And in between coats, I have to, allow the product to dry before going on to the next thing. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to let this dry for about an hour or two, add another coat, and then I'm going to put the protector coat on, which I showed you guys earlier. And then after I put the protector coat on, I will allow everything to dry for 24 hours, install the drawers, attach the knobs, and show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, this is where I'm going to see if the rails that I installed on yesterday are going to in fact work for this particular chest. Because what was happening before I installed these two wooden rails here, the drawer here would continue to sink down inside of the chest. And so that has been eliminated, at least we hope it will be. So let's see how everything works. Let's put it on that shelf, pushing it in. Ah, yay, it worked. That was my first time ever working with wood before, or at least cutting wood. So yes, look at that. Look at that, guys. It rolls in and out. I love it. I love it. Yay! Okay, you guys, while the paint on the top portion of the chest is drying, I thought that I would use that time to line the inside of the chest here with this shelf liner. I think I got this from Walmart. Can't remember. I'll link down in the description where I got it from. It was either, no, you know what? It was from Home Depot. And I can't remember the price of it because I got it last year sometime. So a lot of these things that I'm using, I already had them on hand. And this is one of those items. So anyway, I am using this item here to line the inside of the chest drawers here.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always